taxi to 28 right.
November 5, 931, Roger, sir, one-way 28 right at November 5, taxi via Alpha 15 and then November.
Alpha 15 November to 28 right for an American 931.
American 1736, radar contact, climb maintain, flight level 340.
Climb maintain, flight level 340, American 1736.
Water ski 4621, flight heading of 220, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff.
Heading 220, clear for takeoff, 28 right. Water ski 4621.
American 1736, clear direct Olin.
Clear direct Olin, American 1736.
Thank you. And American 2470, runway 28 right, land for
Land forward, American 2470.
Charlie Papa X-ray 459, holding short runway 7.
Charlie Papa X-ray, Roger, sir, flight, runway heading, runway 7, clear for takeoff, wind 170-11.
Flight runway heading up to takeoff and clear runway 7.
Thank you.
Chicago, American 1, descending down to flight level 340.
Copy. Delta 3006, turn left heading 050.
Left to 050, 3006.
Thank you. And descend maintain 7000.
050 to 7000. Delta 3006.
Delta 3184, descend maintain 8000, turn left heading 050, vectors to 5.
Left 050 and then 7000, Delta 3184.
And I'm not sure if I gave you, expect 28 center, ILS runway 28 center.
And we'll expect 28 center, and we have information Charlie, Delta 3184.
Thank you, American 13, not sure if I climbed you, climb maintain for level 390.
390, 1359.
Thank you. American 2470, fly one way head, actually let's do this, fly heading up 260, runway 28 right, clear the takeoff.
Alright, 260, so take off, American 26.
Water ski 4621, radar contact, climb maintain 16,000, I'll get you on course in a sec.
Climb maintain 16,000, water ski 4621.
Chicago Center, American 931 ready to go 28 right at November 5.
American 935, hold short of runway 28 right.
Holding short 28 right, American 931.
Thanks.
And Chicago Center, Delta 3307, 35,000.
Okay, Delta 3307, Chicago Center, good afternoon. And water ski 4621, clear direct basin.
Direct basin, water ski 4621.
Thanks.
Center County 371 Heavy is in position, runway 27 left. And Chicago Center, it's Delta 312 with you, flight over 350.
Delta 3507, thank you, welcome. And County 371 Heavy, okay, let's do this now. Fly heading of 210, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff, 11608.
210 on the heading, clear for takeoff, 27 left, County 371 Heavy.
Chicago Center, Delta 2915, 10 miles from top of descent.
Delta 2915, cross Newark at 1000, O'Hare altimeter 2990.
Chicago Center, Delta 3114, 503,
Actually, Delta 2915, actually let's do this, descend by the Banky 5, sorry about that, O'Hare altimeter 2990.
All right, by the Banky 5, altimeter 2990, Delta 2915.
Delta 3307, same with you, descend by the Banky 5, O'Hare altimeter 2990.
Descend on the Banky 5, 3307. There's Dr. American 26 at 5.
American, Delta 3006, turn right heading 080.
You broke up on that. Turn right heading which?
060, please.
060 3006, thank you.
Charlie Papa X-ray 459, squawk normal, please.
Charlie Papa X-ray 49, Charlie Papa X-ray 459, squawk mode Charlie.
There we go, Charlie Papa X-ray, nature, get to contact, climb, maintain, flight level 250, proceed on coast 1.
Charlie Papa X-ray 459, could you please repeat the last transmission?
Proceed on coast. Delta 2470, radar contact, climb, maintain, flight level 380, clear direct Noonie. American 2470, radar contact, climb, maintain, flight level 380, clear direct Noonie, please.
Direct Noonie at 3 is American 20, yeah.
American 3, American 931, actually stand by. Delta 3006 is going to maintain 5,000.
Maintain 5,000, 006.
American 931, let's do this flight heading of 04, turn right heading 040, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff, wind 160 at 8.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff 28 right for American 931.
Noonie 531, heavy radar contact, climb maintain 6,000 for a second for arriving traffic, turn left heading 150.
Left turn heading 150, 5,000 for 6,000, counting 371 heavy.
Charlie Papa X-ray 459, climb maintain, flight level 250.
Charlie Papa X-ray 459, climb maintain 250.
Delta 3006, turn right heading 090.
090, Delta 006.
Delta 3184, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, Delta 3184.
Connie 371, heavy climb maintain, flight level 370, clear direct den.
370 direct den, counting 371 heavy.
Kelson stand 854 order to clear of change of level 320.
Delta 1359, 11,000 over Newark at 279.
Yeah, I got you now. Just just maintain 8,000.
Stop 59 to the foot of the gone.
1359.
Delta, actually, Delta 2578, just expect vectors ILS runway 287.
Expect the vectors for ILS runway 287, that's 2578 heavy.
Delta 3006 is maintain 12,000.
Repeat altitude, please.
Delta Delta 3184, turn right heading 100.
Heading 100, Delta 3184.
Chicago 79 152, request time for either Newark. Delta 3184, turn right heading 010. Actually, 100.
Delta 3184, turn right heading 100, yeah.
Delta 3006, maintain 12,000.
Level 350, ready for descent.
I'm sorry, I got stepped on.
Delta 3114, ready for descent.
You repeat 3006.
Chicago Center, Delta 1359. You want us to direct Volker?
Okay, I hope you have any. Delta 3006, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000.
Delta 1359, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 6,000.
050, 6,000 for Delta 1359.
Delta 3184, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Delta 3184.
And Delta 3102, descend via the Banky 5 arrival, O'Hare altimeter 2990.
Descend the Banky 5, Delta 02.
Delta 3114, same with you, actually no, with you, just cross Newark at 1000, O'Hare altimeter 2990.
Affirmative to call control with 1000 Delta 3114.
Thank you, and Delta 3006, turn left heading 010.
010, 006.
American 931, radar contact, climb maintain for level 350.
Chicago Center, Delta 1704 with you at flight level 370.
Delta 1704, water. Chicago Center. Southwest 529, what approach would you want at 22 left?
We'll take RNAV Yankee to left.
Copy, thanks. Delta 3106, turn left heading 300, descend and maintain 3000, intercept the runway 28 center, localizer.
3006, left for localizer 28 center.
Thank you, American 931. Clear direct Duffy, climb maintain, flight level 350.
Direct to Duffy, climb maintain, flight level 350 for American 931.
Thanks. Delta 2570, I'm not sure if I gave you ILS runway 28 center. You gave me vectors for the ILS 28 center. Perfect, thank you. Delta 2915, same with you, vectors ILS runway 28 center.
Okay, vectors ILS 28 center, Delta 2915.
Delta 3006, actually let's do this, flight heading of 260.
Heading 260 or 3006.
Delta 3006, 4 miles from Silky, maintain 3,000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 center approach.
Cleared ILS 2 center approach.
United 152 Chicago Center, good afternoon. Clear to Newark Airport via radar vectors, O'Hare 5 departure, radar vectors Duffy, then as filed, maintain 5,000 to squawk 1370.
United 152 cleared to Newark via O'Hare 5 Duffy, maintain 5,000 and then squawk 1370.
And United 152, thank you. Read back correct, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff. Correction. I expect runway 28 right for departure on the way for taxi.
Alright, 28 right, we'll call you for taxi, thanks.
Delta 1359, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000 for 1359.
Delta 2578, descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend and maintain 8,000, Delta 2578.
Delta, correction, Delta 8549, RTX taxi, clear at station of ladder at 320.
Delta 3184, turn left heading 360.
Left 260, 3184.
Correction, 360. Delta 3184, yeah, let's do this. Turn left heading 360.
Left 360, Delta 3184.
Thank you. Delta 3006, runway 28 center, clear to land, wind 160 at 8.
Clear to land, Delta 3006, thank you.
Thank you. Delta 1359, turn right heading 090.
090 for 1359.
Chicago Center, Delta 3289, flight level 350.
Delta 3289, Chicago Center, good afternoon. Delta 3184, turn left heading 300, intercept the runway 28 center, localizer.
Left 300 and intercept localizer, Delta 3184.
Delta 3184, let's do this. 3 miles from Hazel, maintain 4,000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 center.
Maintain 4,000 till established, cleared ILS approach from my 28 center, Delta 3184.
Delta 1359, descend maintain 4,000.
4,000 for Delta 1359.
Delta 2578, descend maintain 8,000.
Descend maintain 8,000, Delta 2578.
Delta 3307, expect vectors ILS runway 28 center.
Expect vectors.
And Delta 3102, same with you, vectors ILS runway 28 center.
Expect 28 center for vectors 312. Thank you.
Thank you. Delta 3289, descend via the Banky 5 arrival, Denver altimeter, O'Hare altimeter 2990.
Descend via arrival, Delta 3029.
Charlie Papa X-ray 459, resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation, Charlie Papa X-ray 459.
Southwest 3528, leave my airspace shortly, Cleveland offline, radar services terminated, frequency change approved, have a good day.
Switching to Southwest 3528, have a good day.
Good day.
Thank you, American 1357, same with you, radar services terminated, frequency change approved, have a good weekend.
Good day,
Frequency change is approved. Have a good day, American 931.
And Delta 3184, runway 28 center, clear to land, you'll be having a company MD80 passing with the numbers now.
Clear to land on my 28 center, Delta 3184.
Thanks.
Control center will return to 8549 on request ATC clearance.
Delta 8549 Chicago Center, good afternoon. Clear to, let's just do this. Cleared via the Ohio 5 departure radar vectors to Pumpkin, then it's filed. Climb by SID, top altitude 5,000, squawk 1305.
Clear to destination on 825 Center, we are flying 5 user 5,000, squawk 1305.
Giant 8549 Heavy, thank you. Read back correct. Expect runway 28 right for departure. Let me know what it's taxi.
Roger, expect runway 28 right, ready for taxi, Giant 8549.
That's what the Giant 654 Heavy 350.
Other 30+10, thank you. Delta 3218, actually I think I already got you on. Delta 3477, cross Newark at 1000, Ohio, altimeter 2990. Delta 1359, turn left heading 360.
Say again heading for 1359?
Delta 1359, turn left heading 360.
360 for Delta 1359.
And the Southwest 529, which RNAV would you want at 22 left?
That was RNAV Yankee to the left.
Yankee, okay, copy that.
Boy, that's a good look at the Sears Tower.
Address 654 350 the zipper.
Giant 654 Chicago Center, good afternoon, squawk 1337.
1337.
And Southwest 529, clear direct Salas.
Clear direct Salad Southwest 529.
And Southwest 529, cross Salas at 3000, cleared for the RNAV Yankee, runway 22 left approach in the Midway.
Salas 3000, cleared for RNAV Yankee to the left, Southwest 529.
Delta 2578, turn right heading 090, descend and maintain 5000.
090 down to 5,000, Delta 2578.
Delta 2915, descend and maintain 8000.
Down to 8,000, Delta 2915.
And Chicago Center 1359. We're going to need lower here.
No, you're good for a second. Turn left heading 300, descend and maintain 3000, intercept the runway 28, center localize.
330 down to 3000, 1359.
And is verify intercept the runway 28, center localizer?
Correction, say again?
Yeah, let's do this. Turn left heading 310, turn left heading 260, intercept the runway 28, center localizer, descend and maintain 3000.
Okay, 280 down to 3.
Delta 3006, cross one way, 28 right at Delta Delta, taxi plug-in via Kilo, and then Bravo. Have a good day.
Crossing 28 right, Delta Delta, Kilo Bravo, 3016.
Chicago Center, United 1791 Heavy is with you at flight level 340, approximately 34 nautical miles northeast of Victory. Good day to you, sir.
Okay, American 1791 Chicago Center, good afternoon. Squawk 1301, so actually 3173, please.
Squawk 3173, United 1791 Heavy.
Thank you.
Chicago Center, United 152, ready to taxi 28 right. We have Charlie.
And United 152, Roger, sir, one-way 28 right at November 5, taxi by Alpha Niner, Tango, November.
Alright, 28 right, November 5 via Alpha 9, Tango, November, United 152.
The American 5428, squawk 1311, please. Delta 3184, cross one-way 28 right at Delta Delta to taxi to parking via Delta Delta Lima. After your question, Delta Delta Kilo.
Cross 28 right at Delta Delta, taxi to gate, or via, taxi to via Delta Delta Kilo, Delta 3184.
Delta 2578, descend and maintain 4000.
Delta 2578, descend and maintain 4000.
And Delta 1359, one-way 28 center, clear to land, wind 160 at 8.
Clear to land, 28 center, Delta 1359, thanks.
One 04, Jazz 64.
I'm 6 before I got you rid of contact.
No problem, yeah. We turning right to 180 on the descending.
Yeah, that's fine. It's by the Flight 5 arrival. O'Hare altimeter is, O'Hare altimeter is 2990. Do you want 28 center?
Yeah, we can do 28 center for Jazz 64.
Copy, fly the runway 28 center approach.
28 center approach, we'll respect that.
Central Band 854 on the taxi.
Trying 85.9, Roger, sir, runway 28 center, taxi via November, Mike, Golf, Bravo, cross runway 27 left. Southwest 529, runway 22 left, clear to land, wind 170 at 10, gust 17.
Clear to land, 22 left, Southwest 529, thanks.
Chicago Southwest 1209 IFR to Boston as well.
West 1209, Chicago Center, good afternoon. Clear to Boston Airport via O'Hare 5 departure, radar vectors EZDok, then as filed, climb by assist, top altitude 5000, squawk 1353.
1353, Westman 209.
Delta 2578, turn left heading 360.
Left 360, Delta 2578.
And Westwind 209, thanks, feedback, correct. Expect one-way 28 right at November 5 for departure.
28 right, November 5, I'll call you for taxi, Westwind 209.
Delta 2519, descend and maintain 5000.
Was that for 2519 or 2915?
Delta 2515, correct. Delta 2915, descend and maintain 5000.
Down to 5,000, Delta 2915.
Delta 2578, turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 3000, intercept the runway 28 center localized.
Turn left 310, descend and maintain 3000, intercept the 28 center localized, Delta 2578.
Thank you. Delta 3107, descend and maintain 8000. Delta 25,
Chicago Center, Delta 1359, clear runway 28 center, holding short 28, I guess it's 28, right?
Blow up.
Quick stepping on each other.
Whoa, relax. Delta 2578, let's do this. 2 miles from Hazel, maintain. Descend and maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS 1way 28 center approach.
Descend and maintain 3,000 until established. Delta 2578 on 28 center localizer.
Delta disregard.
Center United 152, holding short 28 right, November 5, ready for departure.
United 152, roger sir, flight heading of 040, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff, wind 190 at 7 now.
Alright, clear for takeoff, 28 right, November 5, heading 040 after departure.
And Chicago Center, Central Aircraft holding at Delta 0 to cross Delta 28 right.
Yeah, Delta 3059, hold short of runway 28 right for a second for departing traffic. Envoy 3532, contact Kansas City 132, correction 125.72, have a good weekend.
Houston KC, Senator Bay.
And Waterski 4621, same with you, Kansas 125.72, see you.
25172, Waterski 4621, have a good one.
Delta 2578, runway 28 center, clear to land, wind 190 at 6.
Delta 2578, clear land.
And Chicago Delta 1359, be aware, West World 209 and United 152 are also stacked up at Delta 0.
Delta 3477, I got you.
Chicago Center, West Wind 209, ready for taxi.
West Wind 209, runway 28 right at November 5, taxi via Alpha 18, Bravo, Lima Lima.
Alpha 18, Bravo, Lima Lima, November 5 to runway 28 right, West Wind 209.
Delta 1359, cross runway 28 right at Delta Delta, taxi departing via Delta Delta and then Lima to the ramp, have a good day. That's John 654 head.
100.
Delta 2515 is going to maintain 4,000.
30. 10.
So the 2515 to maintain 4,000.
You said 2915 or 2515?
2915, 4,000 please.
Down to 4,000, Delta 2915.
Thanks.
United 152, airborne passing through 3,800 for 5,000.
United 152, thank you sir, with a contact, climb maintain flight level 330. And then, whenever you're able, clear direct Duffy.
Alright, climb maintain 330 and then clear direct Duffy, United 152, thanks.
Delta 330, actually disregard.
Delta 3307 is descending on your...
Delta 1704, expect vectors ILS 128 center.
PETA. Expecting 28 center, Delta 1704.
Actually, how about this? All Deltas expect 28 center.
Yeah, 28 center. I'm descending onto PETA right now for 4,000
that works, thank you. Delta 25, Delta 2915 to left heading 360.
Left to 360, Delta 2915.
Delta 3307, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descending 4,000.
Delta 3102, descend and maintain 5,000.
3112, 5,000.
Delta 3114, descend and maintain 7,000.
3114, 7,000.
Southwest 529, you get us taxi to parking cross all runways. Have a good day.
Over the parking, Southwest 529, thanks, good day.
Chicago Center, Delta 3477, Newark at 11,000.
Yeah, that works for me, thanks. That's John 654, John 654, go.
And Center Delta 1359 here, still holding at Delta 0. For cross on 28 right.
Yeah, cross runway 28 right at Delta Delta, so I told you that. Sorry about that.
Was that for 1359 cross
Yeah, Delta
28 right?
1359 cross runway 28 right at Delta Delta, taxi to Paul King.
Roger.
Thank you. Delta 3915, turn left heading 290, descend and maintain 3000, intercept the runway 28 center localized.
Left to 290, down to 3000, intercept the localizer, Delta 2915.
Delta 1704, descend and maintain 7000.
Descend and maintain 7,000, Delta 1704.
Giant 654, I thought you were on the Fight 5.
You took us off for the 180 heading.
Shoot, I don't think I meant to do that. Okay. Turn left heading 090, get you back around, descend and maintain 1000.
Alright, 090, 11,000. If you can, we can go direct to Champion just to make it light work.
Actually, that works for me, yeah, that's fine. Thanks.
Alright, cool, direct Champion.
Delta 25, direction Delta 2915, 3 full miles from Silka, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer, clear to left runway 28 center.
Alright, we'll maintain 3000 till established, clear for the 28 center localizer, Delta 2915.
Thank you. Delta 3114, descend and maintain 6000.
3114, 6000.
American 930, correction, American 931, Lima airspace, Cleveland, offline radar services, terminated frequency, change approved, have a good day. Charlie Papa X-ray 459, same with you, frequency change approved, have a good rest of your weekend.
Chicago Center, Delta 2578, request position to cross runway 28 right.
Yep, just about to give it to you, cross runway 28 right, taxi to Paul King, have a good day.
Alright, crossing 28 right, taxi to parking, Delta Kilo.
West wind 2091, runway 28 right, at November 5, line up and wait, I'll get you out in a second.
Alright, to 28 right at November 5, line up and wait, West wind 209.
Delta 2915, descend, runway 28 right, correction, 28 center, clear to land.
Runway 28 center, clear to land, Delta 2915.
Correct. Charlie Papa X-ray 459, have a good day.
And,
Delta 3102, turn right heading.
This is Delta 3102. We're having some technical problems with our FMC up here. Can we get vectors to final, if you don't mind?
Who's asking?
3102, sir.
Yeah, okay, let's do this. Turn right heading 150.
150, 3102, thank you, sir.
Yeah, where is Delta 3114, descend and maintain 5000.
5000, 3114.
Delta 1704, descend and maintain 6000.
Descend and maintain 6,000, Delta 1704.
Delta 3307, descend and maintain 7000.
3307 is at 4,000.
Delta 3477, descend and maintain 7000.
7,000, 3477.
Thanks. Delta 3102, descend and maintain 4000.
3102 for 4,000.
Delta 3114, descend and maintain 4000.
3114, what are the altitudes?
4000.
4,000.
Yeah, and Giant 654, descend via the arrival if you want, that's fine. Sorry for the confusion there.
I'll be the arrival from Champion. Thanks for Giant 654, no problem.
No worries. American 1736, Lima airspace, Minneapolis, offline radar services, terminated frequency change approved. Have a good day.
Oh, Unicom, American 1736. Great job today with the Delta Special. Have a great day.
No worries. See ya. And American 2470, same with you, frequency change approved. Have a good rest of your weekend.
Good day, thank you.
See ya. Envoy, exit road.
Good day, Speedbird 792 is 17 miles inbound, Charlie, Sierra, Tango, Lima, Oscar.
Speedbird 792, Chicago Center, good afternoon, squawk 1361. Delta 3102, turn left heading 090.
792 heavy.
Delta 31.
Left for 090, Delta 3102.
Thank you. American Delta 3307, turn left heading 360 to set and maintain 3000.
Left 360, descend 3000.
Center Delta 1359. Hey, really a great job. Thanks a lot for all your help. Have a good Easter.
Roger, no worries. Happy for you. Take care. Delta 2915, let's do this. Continue on a Delta Delta Lima and hold short of 1-way-28 right.
Okay, Delta Delta Lima, short 28 right, Delta 2915.
West 1209, flight heading of 040, 1-way-28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff. Sorry for the delay.
The 040, 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff, Westman 209.
Thanks.
Chicago Data Delta 987, check it in 380.
Delta 987, Chicago Center, good afternoon. Speedway 972, thank you, radar contact, flight level 360, crossfire at 1000, O'Hare altimeter 2987.
Copy that. We are crossfire at 1000 speed road 700.
Delta 3307, turn left heading 300, intercept 1-way-28 center localized.
Chicago Center, intercept the localizer.
Flight local 270,
Delta
checking in.
3307, turn left heading 300, intercept 1-way-28 center localizer.
Yep, 300, intercept the localizer.
Delta 3102, turn left heading 360.
Left 360, 312.
Delta 1704, descend and maintain 4000, turn right heading 090.
090 at 4000, Delta 1704.
Westman 209, right here, 1 passing 1900.
Turn left heading 350 to re-intercept 3 miles from Silky, maintain 3 till established, clear ILS 1-way-28 center. West 1209, radar contact, climb maintain flight level 350.
350, Westman 209.
Delta, actually this bar. Delta 330, Delta 3470, Delta 3289, descend and maintain 7000.
Descend and maintain 7000, Delta 3289.
Yeah, this ain't gonna work. Delta 3307, turn right heading, Cancio, clearance, turn right heading 360, to get you back around this set.
Right heading, what was it?
360, please, I'll have to get you back around.
Yeah, it kind of didn't even grab the localizer at all.
Yeah, no worries. Let's do right heading 360, maintain 3000, I'll get you back in a second. Yeah, Delta 3114, turn left heading 350.
What is the heading 314 for
Delta 3114, turn left heading 350, please.
350 to 114.
West wind 209, clear direct eBay.